Hey everyone, welcome back to Scripted Future, where we shape your coding skills for tomorrow. Today, I'm sharing 10 tips that can turn you from an average coder into a great coder. These tips are practical, effective, and they level up your coding game. So, let's jump in. Tip 1. Write readable code. Good coders write code that's easy to understand, not just for computers but for humans too. Use meaningful variable names. Add comments where necessary. Keep your code clean and well structured. Example, instead of naming your variable x, call it total sum or userage. Make your intent clear. Tip 2. Understand the fundamentals. Before diving into frameworks or advanced tools, ensure you have a strong grasp of programming basics. Data structures, algorithms, loops, conditionals, and functions. These fundamentals will make everything else easier to learn. Tip 3. Break problems into smaller parts. Solving a big coding problem can feel overwhelming. Break it down into smaller, manageable pieces. Solve one part at a time. Example, if you are building a calculator, first focus on addition, then subtraction, and so on. Tip 4. Practice consistently. Coding is like any other skill. You get better the more you practice. Dedicate at least 30 minutes daily to coding. Work on small projects. Try platforms like Readable, HackerRank, or CodeWars to sharpen your problem-solving skills. Tip 5. Learn to debug effectively. Great coders are great problem solvers. When you hit a bug, 1. Use print statements or a debugger to trace the issue. 2. Break your code into steps to identify where it fails. 3. Use Google and Stack Overflow. These are a coder's best friends. Tip 6. Read and analyze others' code. Explore open source projects on *** GitHub or coding forums. Study how experienced coders solve problems. Learn best practices and new techniques. Don't just copy, understand why the code works. Tip 7. Master version control. Git. Use Git to manage your code. It helps you track changes, collaborate with others, and back up your work. Tip 8. Keep learning and stay curious. Technology evolves, and so should you. Learn new languages, frameworks, and tools. Follow blogs, podcasts, or YouTube channels like this one to stay updated. Be curious, ask questions, and dig deep into concepts. Tip 9. Optimize your code. Good code works. Great code works efficiently. Write code that's clean, fast, and scalable. Use tools like Big O Notation to analyze performance. Always think, is there a better way to solve this problem? Tip 10. Build projects and share your work. The best way to learn is by building. Start small. Build apps, websites, or games. Then, share your work. Host it on GitHub or a portfolio site. Contribute to open source projects. Sharing helps you get feedback and improves your skills. Those are my 10 tips to become a good coder. Which of these tips will you focus on first? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more coding tips and project ideas. This is Scripted Future, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep coding and keep learning.